Most people use AI to create more content. Smart social media managers use AI to create better strategy. Today, I'll show you how to do that with Publer AI. So let's get started. So with Publer, it's actually one of the social media marketing tools that was previously available in App Store about years ago. So in your dashboard here on Publer, you'll be able to see your dashboard. I'm using the desktop, but they also have a mobile app. So in here, you can see on your dashboard, there's actually a like a it's like a Trello chart. So it's actually a Kanban board which lists your to do, your in progress, your interview, and done. And then it shows here your calendar for your upcoming posts. You can have multiple workspaces in your Publer, but I guess you'll have to be on a paid plan to have multiple workspaces, as well as some of the features that I'll be showing you here using Publer. Again, I'll put a link to Publer in the description of this video and in the first comment so that you can check out Publer and its pricing plans. So you can start free. Then in your dashboard, there's this uh, last 7 day stats. There's analytics as well. You can also see your inspirations. There's news art from your RSS feeds, your competitors, so you can keep track of those as well. There's also the trending posts, which you can use this explore feature. So quickly you can create a new post in your dashboard. So Publer AI actually works. So I'm just quickly showing you the feeds, and it's showing based on which country you are, based on the RSS feeds that you already have. You can set up your RSS feeds. These are all the YouTube videos I published recently. So with Publer AI, you can actually use it while creating your posts. So basically, you just need to be on a paid plan. If you're if you have the lifetime deal, you can actually use your OpenAI key for the AI Assist. But if you're on a paid plan, this is automatically included in your subscription. So you can ask anything like, I want to schedule a 5 day post for my YouTube, let's say Facebook page, Instant Studio, about Canva, Publer, site chat, and AI tools. So basically, it's like Chat GPT. It's You can have it assist you. So without using Chat GPT or switching to Chat GPT, you can always use the AI assist of Publer and quickly create uh, posts for your social media channels. So it's right now it's currently trying to respond to the post. So I'll just quickly tour you here. So here is creating an option. So day one, Canva. Okay, so there's the CTA, etc. So there's a Canva design made simple, caption great design. Okay. So you can actually generate a like so day two, etc. Day four. Okay. Still generating right now. So let's say you want to schedule the day one, maybe by tomorrow. Day one. is right here. You just need to edit the post, then hashtags. Okay, so basically the visual idea. Okay, so we can quickly spoof up a image in here. You actually have a lot of options, so you can design with Canva, design with OpenAI, your library, and other integrations as well. Let's say with OpenAI, you can actually try to generate. You'll need to unlock your iPad first. Okay, so I accidentally triggered Siri. So these are actually the media available in here. Try to generate quickly. Quickly pause for a bit. Okay, so it generated this images which actually looks pretty good. It's using OpenAI. So let's say this one. Check out the bonus system. Yep. So you can even edit it right inside Publer. And as you can see, they also have integration with Canva. You can use your Canva account, your Vista Create, Boost Nitro, content drips as well. So in this quick tutorial, I'll actually use OpenAI. So you can select your um, social media channels and then schedule it. So you can use hashtags, hashtag suggestions. You also have a hashtag suggestions here. Okay, so it's returning some error right now, but on certain times it generates those hashtags. And you can actually tag the location here as well. You can have your own like signature, which you can set up in your settings. Can set up auto share. So when you publish here, you can auto share to certain groups or to certain social media channels as well. And then uh, comment. You can actually add a comment automatically. You can add certain conditions, add comment. It automatically posts on your post right after, let's say, for a few seconds. Well, it should have a setting here for like seconds, but right now I can find it. So basically, you set up on Facebook, on X, on. So I'll show you later the integrations that you can integrate Publer with. So it's almost all of those social media channels, and then you can actually publish it right now. Let's say you want to save a draft, and you can also aside from schedule or auto schedule if you have like certain times of the day that you like to post it. You can use it to auto schedule, and if you'd like your post to be recycled or recurring, you can also do that as well. So basically, you can quickly create your content right inside Publer Assist or Publer AI Assist. So for now, let's just save it as draft. You can see quickly here the preview. Let's say if you publish it on, you can even publish on your WordPress actually, those articles. Say on Instagram. So basically on Instagram, There's some limitations on the images. You can only post images on Instagram. So as well as videos, of course. So we cannot just post text in there. So there. So let's say save draft. Let's say for tomorrow. Save. Okay. Okay, there. So basically, Publer AI Assist is also creating your posts right inside Publer. But let me just quickly show you brand voices. So the thing with Publer is that it learns from your brand. So right now I have a brand voice which I'll quickly show you. So my brand, it's my name. So there are certain instructions. I put it just plain and simple, but you can ask actually ChatGPT or your favorite AI chat to build your custom instructions. So there's brand guidelines, writing samples, or style guides. You can actually use that as well so that Publer will understand your brand. And then it can analyze your previous posts as well. So I selected this one. Then I select as the default brand voice for my workspace. So for each workspace, you can actually set up your brand voice. Again, for paid plans, this would be the available features. So with workspaces, you can actually have team members and each of them has their social accounts as well. So under workspace settings, you can actually have your own logo, your select your brand voices, your team members, your social accounts, basically everything that you can do as a social media manager, you can do right inside Publer. So it's tool, social media management tool. You can organize all of your videos, your images right after posting it on social media. It actually gets your images as well and saves it here in your library. So you can actually reuse it, your posts. So each channel right now, you can view the posts that are scheduled and your past posts as well. So you can filter it by scheduled, publish your drafts as well. And then for just quickly showing you the ideas. So this would be your collaboration tool right inside Publer as well. So you can use the Kanban board to add new ideas, collaborate with your team members, and actually they could well, you can actually enhance this with AI, your ideas as well. So you can leave a note or tag someone in here as well. And then let me just quickly show you one of the great features inside Publer, which is the analytics. So analytics, you can have your own analytics for your brand or for a specific like social media channel. This could be your entire brand. I have 23 social accounts. So I can filter it, let's say, by YouTube. So it gets this statistics like subscribers, the video views, view rate. So trying the best times to post, trying to post as much as I can this recent day. So let's say for another like channel, say my travel channel. So quickly you can see the views in here for each video or shorts. Let's see for this one, what are the best times to post? So Friday and Mondays. Then the engagement as well. Some of the statistics you cannot actually see like there's some limitation in terms of the API, let's say for YouTube, but for TikTok, say this one, you can actually see the total views in there. So YouTube, yep, there's also this as well. Okay, so basically that's it for this quick tutorial on Publer. I hope you find this video useful and see you in the next one.